Hello, this is a tutorial about how to use this mockup. I tried it on Photoshop 2020 and Photoshop 2022. Well, let's see how to change the background. Is easily this background. You must give double click here. Is the last one. This. And I add some samples. You can only hide or hide. For example, let's see this one. You click here and then yes to say the change. If you don't like it, click again, click, select another one. Let me see. This one. Click and yes. Okay, I like it. Now, how to change your logo. Your logo is optional. You can hide it or show it. Okay, let's change it. Okay, let me see. This one, Mexico. And then, well, I don't want to show this one. Let's to hide and show only this one. And that's all. You can move, select, and move when the place that you want to show your logo. Okay, looks better here. Now, to change the design, the MOOC design, you must activate your timeline. Please go to Window and select Timeline. This one. The video will record until the session. This is a preview and will end here. But you can okay, yeah, let me see. You can start the video when the MOOC comes here. Only play the video. Okay, respected the logo that height. Let's click on the design. Let's find your logo here. Okay, I will fix this one so you don't have to do this. I will choose that end to the end of the video. Here. Okay. The video will end here, but if you want that the mock turns black again, only move this mark at the end. And slowly we turn back again, like the original mock. Now let's change the MOOC design. I recommend that move your timeline at the middle to see the MOOC design, and then you can see what is inside the MOOC, because if you change the design here, you won't see anything. For example, what I am talking about. Okay, select the MOOC and you will find, let me see, you insert your 3D PT now, 3D, MOOC design, and here say your design here. Okay, let's change this design, and I will add this Mexican flag. Okay, save the change, and you won't see anything unless you had the time at the end. You will see your design. Like it's not center, I will change it. Control more T, Control T, and you can move it. Let me see, change. Okay, looks fine. Nice. What else? Oh, okay, the MOOC color you can change to. Remember, to change the MOOC design, you must and you must go to Dictation, MOOC design, show folders, and give double click here, and you can add your design, hide or show if you have more than one. Okay. Now the MOOC color. To change the MOOC color, okay, I give clear here. Well, change title, change MOOC color here. Only keep double click, and you can change. Okay, double click here. Double click here to change MOOC color. Well, let's try black. No, sorry, white color. Save change. You can use it as a mock-up preview, but not like a magic mock-up because the white color. But you can change to red color. Red color. And that's the most important things about this mockup. I have another video where I show how to do the 3D mockups. Well, if you only want to use it as a transparent background, only hide all things, the logo, hide, insert your 3D PNG. Well, I don't have an app. I don't have one for a while. Hide. What else? the background. But you have to hide the shadow too. Click on the shadow and then hide another shadow too. Or well, only this shadow. Select files, export fast like PNG, and you will see your file. Okay. Let's see. That's the result. Okay. You can hide. Let me see. The MOOC class. That is this one. Let's try it. MOOC class. Let's try again. Sporting. Number 2. No, not yet. Okay, let me show a background. Look. Don't touch this. Okay, to hide the smoke, I blocked this one to avoid some change. So well, if you want to try it, unlock this one and select multi-class. You can play with this, the sun, the water, and you will see how the mood will change. This is well, the smoke or the foam. Now let's port in again. Number 3. Okay, now without the background, you can reduce it, the site, but I don't recommend to save the change because if you change, you won't be able to turn back again unless you download the file again. X, X, and that's it. That's the result using the red color. Sure. Okay, let's back. Let me show you how to export in the video now, but with the, let me change the mood color again to my favorite, that is the black color. Okay, black color. To save the video, well, I decide to record not at the end of the video, only when the design showed up is exactly here is okay. To export the video, select here, files, export as, and then select mm, this one. Okay, MP4, and okay, I will. You can select that one that is better for your project. In my case, I will choose this one, high quality, and well, it's okay. And only you clip here, the first one. Okay, to don't replace my video that I record time ago, I will change the name sample two. Okay, and clip here. Okay, the video is ready. Let's play it. Sample two. Okay. And that's it. The video ends in that moment because I put the mark here, not at the end. But depends on you what would like to do. Well, if you have any questions, please uh, contact me. Let me know. I will help you. Regards.